Welcome back.
And we return to Spector trying not to wet his pants. Unsuccessfully, I might add.
It is totally gonna happen. Oh, shit. Fuck that.
Oh yeah, now when you need to see what's happening, you don't look?
No, I don't want to look.
Come on. How are you supposed to know when you're clear to go? Wait, is that just night vision or is that a flashlight?
It's night vision.
But earlier it said flashlight.
I have no flashlight.
So is that night vision or is that a flashlight? Dude, you already ate up half the battery on this thing.
That's fine.
Dude, put that thing away.
I need to see where this guy's at.
He's not here.
Yeah, he is.
Where'd he go?
Somewhere. As soon as I step in the water, he's gonna hear me.
You're just making yourself look ridiculous right now.
That's fine. He's right there.
Get out your PSG 1T.
Oh shit. I'm gonna wait till he opens that door.
Wait. Is there a save feature in this game?
Yes.
Save it.
Okay.
Awesome.
Shit, why did I jump?
You didn't jump, you crouched, you idiot.
Shut up. Okay.
Dude, you are killing your battery. Cut it out.
Holy hell.
Hey, he's going over there. Now you come in here. Now you're safe. These guys look weird. They're not smart. And that's the only way you can tell if someone's smart.
Just gotta get there. That's all I gotta do is just get there. Fuck me. Ah! Alright.
Yeah, no, just watch. You watch him touch yourself and you're like, oh, you're not gonna find me. Is it weird that if I was hiding in a locker and I was seeing some people look for me, I would just start rubbing my stomach, be like, yeah, you ain't gonna
A little bit.
me. In my defense, I rub my stomach all the time. I just like the awkward factor that it adds with whoever I'm talking to. I'm thinking you're in the clear now.
I'm still going.
It's because you're an unfit parent. Does that mean you're a bad parent or you're fat?
I don't know.
I'd have a son.
Okay, screw it. We're doing it.
Wait, you're gonna have to change your battery soon, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, I just want to make sure he's out.
And I disagree with
right there.
how fast you're running through these batteries. Wait, why'd you even reload it? I was seeing fine with that zero battery. Oh.
Yeah, that's why.
Really? You're going back in here?
Yeah. Alright, sounds like he's out, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Go for it. That would've been funny if we were just standing there and he hit you in the head.
Right?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I would chuckle a bit. You have to go press that red button now, right?
Yeah. I just gotta figure out where he's at so he doesn't see me in the light.
What light? There's no light in there.
You're right there where the button's at. There is a light.
They can't see in the light. Starting to think this game's a little frightening. Go up the stairs. He's not here anymore. You idiot. Let's jump in the water.
Ah!
Wait, you didn't turn them on?
I thought I did.
Oh, dude, tell me they reset. Please tell me they reset. Oh, what a happy day I'll have if they reset.
Shit. Russ, close. Shit. Batteries. God damn it. Let's do this.
Go turn on the gas pumps in a hurry.
You go fuck yourself.
Turn it on. Turn it on.
I am sweating.
Oh, that is disgusting. You are moist.
I am moist right now.
I've seen pools drier than you.
Oh my god. Why is this?
You are glistening. It is dark and you are glistening.
I'm sweating almost as much as earlier when I went to go eat sushi. I hate when people don't replace the toilet paper.
I actually seen a picture. There was an empty toilet paper roll, and on the cardboard on the inside, it wrote, "Haha, you're fucked."
Wow. Okay. Is that me or is that the
Do you want to just talk about your an unfortunate event? Because that is the second time you brought up sushi.
Yeah, well, I had to go relieve myself, and shit, as I relieved myself, I realized that there was no toilet paper for me to use. It was across the way though, so I had to move about like a little ninja.
You're like bent over to keep your cheeks from reflecting.
God damn it!
Yeah, see, that's not even that bad. You know what I have to deal with?
What?
At home, I have one restroom, one for me and my mother. You think that wouldn't be bad, right? I mean, I've been here when there is 5 people in this house, and we have to coordinate restroom things going on. But
I had it bad.
My mom gets to the point where like she goes from 0 to has to go immediately. And it's not even like I have to go. It's like it's an emergency. Like over dramatic has to go. So this morning I'm in the shower. My shower consists of 2 phases in the morning. The first phase is let me just sit here and under the water and let me wake up. And the second is the actual shower.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting there letting the water hit me.
God damn it! Why is he always coming back
Trying
here?
to wake up. My mom busts in like the police, and she's like,
Ah! God damn it! I have no idea where I'm going.
Use your flashlight to help you.
No, I am not. How do you know?
You ran around in a circle in the same room.
Ah! Oh, I'm still alive. Where am I going? God damn it! How far can I jump? I am dead. Son of a bitch.
You dumb idiot. You ran around in a circle in the same room and then hid in a locker right in front of him while he's like, do you think I'm done? Load your save.
Can I load for me? No, I just this is the checkpoint.
Oh, but didn't you save it?
Yeah, I saved it. You gotta start over.
Alright. So anyway, my mom busts in like the cops, right?
Yeah.
And she's like, I'm sorry, I have to go. And I was like, what? She's like, I have to go. I have to listen to her make ploppies.
Ploppies?
Ploppies, yeah, she made ploppies. There's nothing pleasant about being about 2 feet from your mom while she's making ploppies in the same room.
Oh yeah, forgot. Because this guy's retarded.
Dude, that's offensive. Don't say that. I don't think there's anybody right now, right? That's not till you try to turn on the first thing?
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the first one. Oh, I think he's in there. First, look for any batteries. Nothing. God damn it.
Wait, are you sure that's all you had to do? Because remember you went to the button and you didn't do it?
Yeah.
Someone tells me you're gonna fuck this up again.
Oh yeah, I'm totally gonna mess this up. Are you kidding me?
What's the W and T stand for at the top?
I don't know. I don't know cameras.
Really?
Yeah.
So what does the W and T stand for at the top? Wait, does he turn it off? Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, he turned it off. Will you stop? You're gonna give me an epileptic seizure. See, they think you're a ghost, those poor guys. I wouldn't at all call their reaction to you an overreaction.
What about an underreaction?
What if you crawl around in the water, like crouching around?
Crouching?
Yeah, like you're all crouchety.
Is he at the other door? Yeah. Open that for me.
Oh, he's opening.
Yeah.
You want to keep going too,
Okay. I'm gonna go for it.
You got this, man.
I'm gonna do the crotchety.
Yeah. I think you're making more noise now. But it's
think so?
alright. They're dumb and they don't hear you. Wait, is there two of them or just one of them?
I think it's just one right now.
Oh. Because for some reason I assumed there was like a big guy and a little guy.
Yeah. Well, there's different ones, but...
Well, I mean, right now, you idiot. Hide. Hide in the... Yeah, that way you can see when he leaves. You feel me?
Alright.
If you press L1 and R1, can you get on your tiptoes and see at different angles?
I wish.
Wait. Flashlight it so you can see if he's there.
I don't know. He hasn't left yet.
How do you know?
Because I didn't see him cross by. So I don't think so.
It's dark.
There he is.
Wait, you think maybe he turns off this one?
Oh, shit. I hope not.
Go check on this one again before you leave.
What?
Because obviously they weren't both on. You feel me? I think you can go out now. He crossed back across.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he crossed to the left, yeah.
What if he did what the other guy did and just, like, lingered on?
No, get out. Because remember, like, every time you finally decided to get out, you're like, oh my god, why is he...
I'm just gonna see what direction he's gonna go in. Alright. God damn it.
Oh, dude, you're the biggest puto I know.
What?
I
He
heard
was
a little
gonna-
noise. Let me go in the locker. Did he even come in here?
I don't know now. I'm fucked.
Turn on your light.
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah, now he's here. Not earlier when you decided you were too scared to be outside.
I think he's in the water now.
But it takes you like an hour in there before you feel safe. So by the time you get out, he's coming around again.
There he is. Of course that would happen.
Does he even have eyes?
Yeah, he has eyes.
Didn't that one on the chair not have eyes?
Huh?
Does the one on the chair not have eyes?
No.
Something didn't have eyes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, your battery is out, son.
Go to that one over there.
Wait, didn't you already do 2 of them?
Yeah, but I need to go that one.
How do you know?
Because that door wasn't open before. This is the one he came out of.
Close it. Close it. There we
He
go.
just freaking slams it.
That's how you work a door. I get the there's the battery. Jump over.
There's another battery in here. Pick that up.
Is that a head?
Yeah.
Wait, that's a mannequin head, right? Because, I mean, nothing really bad has happened up until this point. Is that a helicopter?
Yeah.
It's in the game, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in the game.
It's like DLC, right?
Alright. I'm pretty sure as soon as I do this, he's going to start exploring this area. And I have no area of where to hide.
Why are you Mr. Assumption all of a sudden?
Okay, I gotta figure something out.
Is there lockers right there?
No.
To the left.
Oh, it is locker.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What do you know?
He's gonna check one of them.
Your
You know
favorite thing. Not if you hide before he comes in here. Go now. Go now. Go now. Go now. Go now. Go now.
Screw it.
Did you take a second to decide what locker you're gonna
Yes.
hide in? You idiot, dude. That's the kind of shit that gets you killed.
Really?
That and people with axes. That's the kind of shit that gets you killed.
And we'll find out exactly what happens after
We'll find out what's the kind of shit that gets you killed.
that kind of shit. Okay.
Next time.
Next time on Joystick Tank.
You need something with more like dramatic effect.
But can you do the echo?
Yeah.
Next time.
Oh, I do that to everything you say?
Yes. Next time
Time.
on Joystick Tank.
Dang.
You suck.
What do
Later,
you want?
guys.
What? I don't know what you wanted from me.
Please like and subscribe.
Wait, you want them to please us?
To
Then
please
like
us and
subscribe?
then like us, then like it and then subscribe to us.
You're the worst.